Ed, I don't know what to say to you. You didn't tell me it was your birthday. Just like a Negro, what can I say? I mean, really, you could have told a sister something. Well, anyway, happy birthday. I will hook you up later. And you know I love you. Have many more. I love you.
Hi, Ed. It's me, Veronica. Of course, you know who I am. Thank you so much for being such a good friend to me, Ed. You have just been an amazing friend, and I love you. And happy birthday, and may you have so many more. We're going to really have a good time. So I hope you're ready and prepared for what's to come. Love you. Bye.
Hey, Ed. So we wanted to say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So much fun with you. Thank you so much for everything that you do.
You throw a wonderful party, you're a wonderful cook, and you're super fun to hang out with.
All the time.
Thanks
Love
for
you,
the
old
invite.
man.
Love you, man.
Mwah.
Cheers to him.
Cheers.
Hey Ed, it's been a while since I've seen you, man, but it's good to see you. Happy birthday. Last year I wanted to come out for sure, but I definitely missed that. Not feeling so hot today, but for my bud, I think I'll make an appearance. So again, happy birthday, man.
Hi, we just want to wish Ed a very happy 58th birthday. He's such a music buff like I am, so happy birthday, Ed. Many, many more. You're just such a wonderful person, and we appreciate you always cooking for us, and it's been a real pleasure to meet you, and wish you all the best.
Ed, I've enjoyed knowing you over the 3 years, ever since underwriting with Wells Fargo, and I've enjoyed the time. You're always a good friend and a friend in need, and I wish you a happy 58th birthday. You're getting closer to that big 60, just wait. And I'll be there when you turn.
Happy birthday, Ed.
Happy birthday, Ed.
Love ya.
Bye-bye.
Ed, as you know, you are my best friend in the world. We've drank a lot together, constantly. We are always great friends. I've always been there for you. You've always been there for me, like you are right now. Through good and bad times, you were there when I had problems with my daughter, which you didn't even know how great that was for me, because you know how hard it was for me. My daughter had her car accident, and you helped me through my kids. I tried to help you with your kids, and I love you to death, and I always will, and we'll always be friends.
Hey Ed, happy birthday. Thanks for letting me come over. Don't know you. Don't really know anyone here. Amber I know, and I'm just trying to meet all these great people here, so thanks for having me. Happy birthday.
Happy 58th birthday, Ed, you old Mexican. Hope everything goes well for you the next 58. Love you. Bye.